Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the topic of Down syndrome. We will discuss a brief short view to the Down syndrome. So we should know first of all what is Down syndrome. The Down syndrome क्या चीज है? Down syndrome is basically a genetic disorder which is characterized by an extra copy of the chromosome at the number of 21. डाउन सिंड्रोम एक जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है जिसमें एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम होता है 21 नंबर पे। ये मोस्टली जो है ये ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को इफेक्ट करते हैं और इसके एपिडेमियोलॉजिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू एपिडेमियोलॉजी देयर आर 1 बर्थ out of 800 in the United States, and it can affect the children both physically and mentally. This is the karyotyping view of the chromosome number in the human being. There are 21 autosomes from the 1 to 22. So these are the number of autosomes which are present in the human being. And here you can see a number of 21 chromosomes, and which you can easily appreciate the extra copy of the chromosome. This extra copy of chromosome ultimately leads to the formation of Down syndrome. This is the graphical view of the Down syndrome, that in some people the Down syndrome occurs. What is the risk factor of the Down syndrome? And on the x-axis this is the age distribution, and on the y-axis there is the occurrence of the risk of the occurrence of the Down syndrome. As the age of maternal age increases, the chances of the occurrence of the Down syndrome also increases. And mostly when the age is above the 40 years, then the chances of the Down syndrome is mostly about 25 to 30% increases. So as the age increases, the chances of the Down syndrome increases. Down syndrome affects the physical growth and mental growth. The babies who are born with the Down syndrome are mostly mentally retarded. Their cognitive skills are deficient. They cannot memorize things. They cannot do attention to their jobs, and they have the difficulty in language and learning and decision making, and cannot solve the problems. And also the children of the Down syndrome have the physical growth, and they will be physically compromised. Here you can see the clinical features of the Down syndrome. So how the baby of the Down syndrome present. Here you can see the protrusion of the tongue, small nose, epicanthal folds, oblique palpebral fissure, upward slant of eyes, and flat facial expression. These are the basically clinical features of the Down syndrome. This is the baby, that's how the children of the Down syndrome looks like. Now the investigation, that how we will investigate the baby of the Down syndrome. We can do the ultrasound, echocardiography, X-ray, and karyotyping. The karyotyping is the most screening method that before the birth of the fetus, you can identify the defect in the chromosome number. So how the karyotyping is performed? There are so many procedures for the karyotyping, like amniocentesis, chorionic pillus sampling, and blood from the umbilicus through the ultrasound. So this is the procedure of amniocentesis. A syringe is inserted into the uterus, and here as you can see the fetus, which is surrounded by the amniotic fluid, and this amniotic fluid is taken through the syringe, and then amniotic fluid is examined for the karyotypic examination, and the chromosome abnormality is detected. This is the procedure of chorionic pill sampling. Here you can see that trans-cervical catheter is inserted into the uterus, and here is the placenta is present, and from in the placenta there are chorionic villi, and that chorionic villi biopsy is taken through the catheter, and then it is examined for the karyotyping analysis and for the chromosome defect. And this is the method of per umbilicus blood sampling, that how the blood can be taken from the umbilicus. Here you can see the umbilicus of the baby, of the fetus, and through the syringe, fetal blood from the cord, umbilical cord is taken, and it is analyzed for the karyotyping, and the chromosome number, extra chromosome copy number is detected to the karyotyping. So this was all about the short brief of the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is basically an extra copy of the chromosome at chromosome 21, and clinically the BB present have the mentally and physically retarded, and we can diagnose them on the basis of the karyotyping prenatally. Thank you.